Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm doing a braid care video. This is not even like an extensive video or anything like that. I just wanted to come and show you guys what I've been using in my hair. You'll be pleased to know that I'm not doing much to my hair at all. I'm pleased to know that I don't have to do much to this hair at all. And I have a Loc Sock. I was asked about this when I travelled last time, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. Like I said, it's called a Loc Sock, and it's because it's usually for people that have locks, but it's great for if you have like braid extensions, or it's good for like your wash and go, if you're like wearing a puff to bed and you just want it all to still be there, because you can just put it on and it just stays, it holds its position however you've got your hair. So what I do at night is I actually just bring, let me tell you guys something, yeah. These long butt length braids are not for the winter. I do regret putting them in, I have to say. As much as I love the hair, it looks so good, but literally every time I have to put a coat on, it's like such a nightmare, because then I have to like do this to take my hair out of the coat. When you put a scarf on, it's the same thing. It's so annoying because they're so long and they are just not practical for winter. If it was summertime where you don't have to wear a coat and all that stuff, your hair's flowing free and lovely and it's great, but probably not the best hairstyle for like the dead of winter where it's freezing and you need layers of clothes. But yes, anyway, and I just wrap it on top of my head like this, and it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. I should have done something like kinky twist or something with extensions, something else with extensions that wasn't this long thing. Just something that I could keep up and style in a way that I could keep it out of my face and all that stuff. So this is it. This is how I go to bed. And sometimes the weight of the hair, like it's heavy, but it's not heavy. I wouldn't necessarily say like this is neck breaking heavy, but of course when you gather all the hair on top of your head, you do feel the weight. And sometimes as you're sleeping, the weight of the hair pulls it back, so it's like this. And then when I go to shower, of course I don't want the back of like the whole thing to be wet or anything like that, so I just grab the front like this, and then I do this. So this is the Lottabody coconut one that we all know about. It's been around for a while now. This is what I use on my edges because I don't want build up. I don't want build up on my edges, and I don't want build up on my scalp and stuff like that. So, which you tend to get if you're using a edge control or if you're using like a gel. Those two things work well for short-term hairstyles, but for me I feel like having a long-term hairstyle and using products that can easily cause build-up around my hairline is not conducive to having a full flourished edge situation, you know? Trying to hold on to my edges before I have my babies and they fall out. So not only do I use this on my edges, I just use it in the entirety of the hair just to keep it neat, because of course, you know, natural hair likes to just do its thing. I like to put it on my edges as well. Okay, and then I'm really enjoying filming in front of this camera. I don't know if you guys have noticed this camera, this window, this part of my room, I'm really enjoying it, because the other part of my room, the other window, works well in the summertime when there's like sun flooding in everywhere or light. But yeah, anyway, and then sometimes these ends just look crazy, so I'll put some on there as well, and then just run it through, and then it just looks like new ends again, kinda. So that's what I do. So for my actual edges, all I do is just brush them down with the brush, and they're fine, they're great. They don't need all the extra bits. And sometimes, like if I want my part on this side or something like that, then I will find the part and I will I will mousse the part as well and just do that. I find this mousse is quite moisturizing on my scalp as well without building up. So I'll just do this, and once all the edges are like this, I take my scarf, my thin scarf, and I will put it on my edges and do my makeup, and then I push it back, which helps with a bit of tension to actually like physically smooth the hairs down. Just slide it back, and then I'll do my makeup. No makeup today because it's not everyday makeup, and yeah, that's it. So then I'll do that, and then actually what I will do after I've applied my makeup, I have been using my Care Edge Control. So this is just the regular old school Care Edge Control. So once I've pulled this back, this is like if I'm going out and I really like want my edges to be doing something more than they're already doing, which is living. And I really just want them to be, as you young people would say, litty or whatever. I just take the edge control. Come on, okay. And then I just do this. This toothbrush is really dirty, but it's been around for about 10 years. And nothing works as good as like a dirty old edge toothbrush. Anyway, so hello, okay. And then I literally like the tiny of the hairs, so the hairs that aren't actually next to the roots of the hair that won't be affected. Those are the ones that I will go in and you know, make them look a little bit more decent or something, or whatever the reason for doing this is. Okay, yeah, I don't really like multiple swirls and stuff, it's not me, but I'll do this. Oh guys, my skin looks nice, right? It looks really pale because it's winter, but it also looks really good because wild seed is life. Get to know. But yeah, so do you see? It's fine. Like, you don't really need to be doing the worst and the most of your edges. Like, I look presentable. So for my leave-in and my moisturizer, what I've been doing aside from the mousse is I've been using one of my favorites. So this is the keratin restructurizer. It is protein based, so it's keratin and green tea restructurizer. Strengthens instantly, builds body, protects color and chemical service. I used to use this when I was transitioning a lot, and I always have a bottle in my hair stash, always. So because my hair is in the braids, I mean, as much as the braids is a protective hairstyle, it's still like a lot of trauma on the hair. So I like to go in with the restructurizer. I also love the pump on this. Look at it. It's amazing. It really just saturates my hair. I use it on my scalp, just through the hair. So I do this like once a week. I do this about once a week, if that. And I do the mousse one like if I'm going out and I'm trying to have my hair looking really fresh, then I'll do the mousse thing with the edges and all that stuff. But other than that, I really haven't been doing much of my hair. That's all I've been doing because I wanted to keep it really simple with these braids. And I definitely will do them again in the summertime, which means I'll definitely have a video on it. I hope this was helpful. To me, the whole point of being a long-term protective style is that I don't really mess with my hair that much, and braids offer that convenience. So be blessed, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.